Tired of extra shipping charges on eBay orders? In this guide, I'll walk you through smart ways to avoid or minimize shipping fees while shopping on eBay using a PC. Start by searching for a desired product. On the left-hand filter panel, check box that says free shipping. This removes listings that charge extra for delivery. Products from sellers in your region usually ship faster and cheaper. Check item location in the listing and favor sellers within your country. If you're buying multiple items from one seller, ask if they offer combined shipping. Some sellers will reduce or waive the shipping fee if you purchase more than one item. Head over to ebay.com/deals and check for free shipping section. These are hand-picked deals that include free delivery, no tricks or hidden charges. And that's how you save money by skipping the shipping fees on eBay. Make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more budget-friendly tips.